everybody, my name is Hafsa. I today will teach you computer how to use the Scratch, but not the Scratch we take it in grade 1 and like this. I will teach you Scratch for grade 4. Okay, first thing I do this one and I want you to see it. First thing, when we go here for the events, we will see when flag click. So when I click on flag, we have to put this one to click on the flag like this. Like this. Okay. Now if we make it here, it will make. If we stop it like this. Yeah, like this. Okay. Also, we have wait 1 second. Wait 2 seconds. Will be not so many. We'll put 2. No. No. Not 2 seconds. Like this. Okay. You have to click it like this and take it here. Not only click it and come here. This like this. No, it is not coming. So make it. Oh, okay. We will not play on these things. I will teach you how to use it only, and I will say for you what to do. Here, next question. It can be for this car. No. Why no, teacher? It's here. Next question. Make it make. But if we here put, yes, I will remove this. No, teacher. Why? It's looking. It's not so good if we put it. Look, it's now good. Now, if we go to control, we have here wait until what? Wait until مثلا. Wait until if you put it here. Wait until something say anything. Wait until 1 second. Like this. I put it and make it like that. Wait until for the car. But if I put it for the girl, it is a girl will wait for until the what? Like here, the girl wait until and move. She is waiting. Why? Because I don't put for the car wait until. Okay. Now if I want you to listen for the music. Okay. Okay, if I want to change the color for the girl, I will go to customs and I will put this and make it head. I want now her t-shirt. I will not put it orange. I love this color. I love this color. I will put it and then I will click on here. Shirt and here. Okay, like this. Why it's like this, teacher? I will change it. Now I will make for her here another right another arm. It's like this. So now I put for her legs. and here. I will put this one next. No. Like here, and I will put here. Yes, this one, but I don't like it purple. Oh, we have to go and change this. Yes, I make it now. It's looking so nice. Now I want the car. I will make for the car what I will make for at the front. Not like this. I will make it. It's looking so nice. Oh my god. No, 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 no. How you guys like this? I was scared. Ah, not again. No, not again. Okay, let us go. Ah, okay. Now I will put another character, not that car. Why I will put a car, but not this car. I will put this car, and I will make its size big to see it so good. Like no, it's like I will get them customized. Then I'll make this number, this one, and I will make it, but not like this. I will make this color and make. Okay, now it's getting good. It looks good. Okay, if I want to make for it sound from sound, and I want to do this here. I have so many sounds. But I want to make car moving. Car moving. I'm flashing. Car. Yes. One. Okay, here. Then I will put on the sounds and play sound, not pop car movie, car volume. And then put on events and put the flag. Look here. I will put